Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ankur Haritosh and today we will be doing a problem called populating next right pointers in each node. So we are given a perfect binary tree where all the nodes are filled, right? So only the last level nodes have zero children. So what we have to do for each node, we have to find the next pointer, the next node in its level order traversal. For example, for node 2, its direct right next node is 3. So we have a pointer at each node called next, and we have to assign the next node to its rightmost node in level order traversal, right? So now that we have defined the problem, we understand it. The next thing is the high. How would we actually do it? The brute force solution is that we will use a queue and do level order traversal. For each node, for each level, we will have all the nodes at that level, and we will pop from the queue and assign that popped element, to the front of the queue. Uh, the next pointer, like 2 and 3 are in the front of the queue. In the queue, we will assign pop 2 and assign 2 to 3. But this is brute force, right? So this it would occupy space of the maximum nodes that can be at a level. So the last node would occupy that much space it would occupy. But the most optimal solution is using space of O1 and time O of n. So how can we do that? We can do that by utilizing the fact that we have access to its node's left and right pointers, right? So when we can have a node called start, pointer called start, which points to what the first node at a level. So here we have this at level 1, the start is pointing at 1, right? And we will keep on continuing at each level. So this for this level 1 is the last node, right? Its next does not exist, so we will just assign its next to null, which is already by default. Next we will go to its left, right? So now start, this is done. Now start is at node 2. Now we will do level order traversal through this, right? We will keep on going to its right pointer. Yeah, just before that, when start was here, we have to assign its children, right? That is how we will keep on moving on every level. We will go on level or traversal. Now, how we will do that? Its next pointers would already been assigned at the previous level. So at 1, we would have assigned its left's next pointer. So this node, one's left is 2, right? So this is next pointer would be one's right. So the left, we have taken care of the left pointer, right? And for taking care of 3, what is its next pointer? It does not exist because one's next does not exist, right? So I will come to that in the next level. Let's just leave it for this or that now. Yeah. So now we are at the level 2. Where start is at level 2, right? So we will first assign its left pointer to left pointers next to its right nodes, its right node. So we will assign 4. 4's next is now 5. Okay. Then we have to assign take care of 2's right as well. So for 2's right, which is its next node, 6, right? And if 2's next does exist, which it does exist, we will assign 2's right to 2's next, which is 3, 3's left, right? So that's how this connection would be made, right? And because it is a perfect binary tree, we don't even need to consider if this its children exist or not. We'll come to that in the next episode for the next problem, right? So now, as we are done with 2, we'll it move the current level, the start pointer, to its next. So now 2's next is now start. Now this is done. We are at this point here. So we'll do again the same thing. 3's left's next is now 3's right. This connection is made, and because its next is null, this level order traversal for this level has ended. Now we will again go to the start node. We can have we'll go to its next left pointer now. We'll always keep a pointer pointing to which is the where we started this level, right? So now we'll go here. This node is done. Start is at 4. Again we will keep on doing the same thing and assign all these nodes with start moving again here. So in this way this level would be completed, right? The start node would keep on moving to its next pointer till this level ends. Now when we go to the next, this is done, we'll go to its left pointer at 8, right? Now we will see that its left and right child don't exist, at it is the last level, right? So we will just end it there, nothing has to be done. So in this way we have completed our question in optimal time. Time is O of n and space is O of 1, right? So now let's code it. So let's start coding. First we will just take care of the base case when it is null pointer. We will just return root, and now we will have a start pointer, which is we don't need to assign anything, and a current to keep track of the starting node of each level and move left at all times. Now we'll keep on moving left till left till left has a child, right? If it does not exist, we do not need to move anywhere, right? And we'll just assign the starting node for each level. Now for this level, till it does not ends, right, we will keep on moving to its next, and for each level we will assign its left pointer next to its right pointer, and if its next does exist, we will assign its right pointers next to the next its correct next position available, left, which is next is left, right? Now after we have to move as well at every level to the next. After that we have to move to the next level in the series, which is left, right? We will keep on moving, and till it does not have a child, and we will return root after assigning all the nodes. I hope this works. Okay. Yeah, so this is working. um, so I hope you understood the solution. I will make more videos like this soon, and if you like the content, please like the channel, like the video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you.